Are you ready to turn Pinterest into money-making machine with Fiverr affiliate marketing? In this video, I'll show you how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest, create eye-catching pins that drive massive traffic and convert clicks into commissions step by step. If you are a beginner or already promoting affiliate links, this strategy is a game changer. Stick around and I'll even share my secret for finding high converting services that got sales. Okay, let's get started and turn your Pinterest profile into passive income powerhouse. Okay, this is my affiliate account dashboard, and as you can see, I made $19,102 in just 25 days in this month. This is my clicks, my CTR, and this is my affiliate account dashboard. So for people who want to start promoting affiliate links on Pinterest and start earning commissions, this video is for you. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you can understand everything and get a clear idea how this business works. Okay, so step number one, for people who are new to my YouTube channel, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So what you will do, super easy, go to Google and search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here and just sign up using your email address. That's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to company and click here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, and here you can join Fiverr affiliates. Okay, you can create your affiliate account. You guys can also check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. You can check this website to get more information. So you just need to click here on join now, and here you go. As you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Okay, and choose your country from here. Your location, it doesn't matter. You guys can start this business from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, from any country. Okay, location doesn't matter, and choose your language from here. And if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So what you need to do next is you need to do research to find high converting services that people are searching for, that you will start promoting on Pinterest. Okay, you cannot promote any services that you like or that you think it's gonna work. It doesn't, this business doesn't work like this. You need to do research. Okay, so since we will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links, what we will do is you need to open a business account on Pinterest. Okay, so you should have a business account. Okay, if you don't have, that's fine. Let me show you. You can go to Google and you can search for Pinterest like this and click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy. They will ask you, do you want to create business account or personal account? You can choose business account. It's for free. Okay, and why we choose Pinterest? Because Pinterest has a lot of traffic. Okay, Pinterest has like 1 billion monthly visitors. Yes, you guys can see here, you can get so much traffic from Pinterest. People are making a lot of money from Pinterest organically and getting free traffic from Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest is a search engine platform. It's like Google. Okay, and people are using it to search for services, products, topics and so much more. So here is what you will do. After you finish your sign up process with Pinterest and set up your Pinterest business account, you will go back to Google and you will search for Pinterest trend. Search for this website. Click on the first link like this and you will be directly in this page over here in this website. So why we will use this website? We need to see what's trending. We cannot go and promote any services. We need to see what people are searching for on Pinterest. Okay, so go to Pinterest trend, scroll down. You can also choose which country you want to see what's trending in which country. Okay, so for example, if you want to see what's trending in United States, you can choose United States, or you can choose Canada, Italy, Spain, and so on. I'm gonna choose United States like this. I will scroll down and you can see here top trends in United States this month. This is the topics that are trending in United States on Pinterest this month. Okay, you can see this here. If you scroll down, you can even discover trends in United States, and you can see more keywords that are trending in United States this month. You guys can see here we have Valentine's Day, we have Valentine's nails. If we scroll down, we have more. We have also this option, we have here filters. Okay, so we can even choose specific topic or specific niche. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna scroll down and I will go over here to interest. Okay, and I will choose, I will click on this and I will choose, for example, design. You have a lot of niches that you can work on here. You have finance, you have education, design, food and drinks, and so much more. I will check design. I will choose this keyword, and here you go. You see this? We have graphic design poster. This keyword is trending. You see the graph of this keyword? It's just keep going up, which is a really like this one is good. I will scroll down. We have kitchen design. We have bathroom design. We have planner, and we have more. I will scroll down so I can see if I can find a good topic or keyword that is trending good on Pinterest. Okay, we have cool websites. Okay, development, close design. Okay, let me see here. I will just keep scrolling down to see if I can find a good one here. YouTube banner. Okay, I see this one. This is a good service that it's trending and good topic. You guys can see this one. YouTube banners. Do you see the graph? It's just keep going up. This one is really good. Like this one is a good opportunity for me to start promoting services related to this keyword that it's trending in United States this month on Pinterest. You see this one? YouTube banner. Do you see the graph? If we have also here another one, YouTube banner ideas. Do you see the graph? It's going up. YouTube banner. You see? This one is really good. Okay, I will click on this one. Let me check, guys. YouTube banner. This one about that it's trending, and here you go. Go over here to date and choose. Choose past 3 months. Okay, like this. That's really good. You guys can see. You see the graph? It was going up and down here, and it starts going. It starts taking off. It starts going up, which is like this one is good. So people are searching this. We have an audience that search for YouTube banner. Okay, they want to create a YouTube banner for their YouTube channels. Okay, we have this audience which is good. YouTube banners. What I will do is I will copy this keyword like this, and I will go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage. I will click on the search and I will search for this one, YouTube banner or YouTube banners. I'm gonna search for this service. It's already trending. People are searching for this one on Pinterest. It's good for me. It's a good opportunity for me. YouTube banner, search for YouTube banner, scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always, what you need to do next is you need to choose a good seller that you will promote his service as an affiliate marketer on Pinterest. Okay, and you need to choose good sellers that has a good experience and that provide good services for their customers. So what you will do, you need to choose sellers like level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, and pro sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers for you that you can start promoting their services as an affiliate marketer. So for example, let me see here. I have a lot like this one. You see this one? Like this one is top rated seller. Let's check this one. I will choose this one. I will design a professional YouTube banner. This one is good. I will click on his service like this. And here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You see this one? That's one. This one is good. Like this one is good. You see, over 2,000 reviews, top rated seller. He has one order in queue. Also, we can go back. Let me see. This one starts. His service starting from $40. I will scroll down to see if I can find some good one that have also a good price. Let me see. For example, like this one. Let's check this one, guys. For example, this one has also over 1,000 reviews, and this one is top rated seller. I will check this one. Let me see. This one is also a good one. Okay, this one and his service starting from just $30, which is really good. Like this one is good, top rated seller, over 2,000 reviews, 2 orders in queue. I will choose this one. So what I will do, I will copy the profile link of this seller like this. And what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link, put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So what we will do, we will go back to our Pinterest business account. We will click on home feed and we will click here on create pin. Okay, and here you go. What you need to do next is you need to upload a picture about this service that you want to promote. So you will go back to this seller profile page and click on his picture like this. Okay, double click and click on save image. Okay, like this. Save this picture to your laptop and I will click on save. You also guys have two options. Okay, you can use this picture to promote this service, or you can turn your screen recording on and you can record the results of his customers. So you will record a slideshow video. So you will click on the picture and you will keep clicking here and record those YouTube banners that this seller is already made for his customers. You see this? And keep recording like this. You see? 5-star, this one here, and keep clicking and record a slideshow video showing the banners that this seller made for his customers and with the feedback of his customers in the, as you can see under the banner here. Okay, you see 5-star, people are satisfied. Okay, so you have two options. You can do this or you can use the picture that we download. So I will go back to Pinterest and I will click here and I will upload the picture that I download from Fiverr. Let me go to downloads here. This is the picture about YouTube banners. Click on open and here you go. I need a title and I need description. So what I will do, I will go back to the seller profile page. I will copy his title. I cannot use this title like this. It's gonna not help my gig. It's gonna not help my Pinterest pin to rank in the search results for people who are searching for YouTube banners on Pinterest. So what I will do, I will use AI. I will go to ChatGPT. Go to Google search for ChatGPT, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. So you just need to click here and ask him, turn this title into Pinterest pin title, okay, and use good SEO to rank good, okay, and just put this title here like this, paste, click over here and you will get a good and amazing title for your Pinterest pin. You guys can see here. You see, I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this title here like this. I need description. I will go back to ChatGPT and I will ask him, create a pin description from this title. And here you go. You will also get a good description. You see, for your pins. I will copy this. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. I need Okay, I need to put my affiliate link here. I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business, you can't see this option Fiverr Step A old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one Fiverr Marketplace new plan, or you should see this one Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, they are almost the same. Okay, you just need to copy your affiliate link from here like this. From example, for this Fiverr Marketplace, I will copy my link from here and go back to your Pinterest account and put your affiliate link here like this. Paste. Okay, and scroll down, click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. You can create as many as you want. And what you need to do next, you need to put here tags. So here is how we can find those tags that will help to rank your pin in the search result of Pinterest, so you can get clicks and make commissions. Go back to your Pinterest trend account, scroll down. Okay, scroll down and copy those keywords that are those you see here. Let me show you so you can understand. You have here keywords. You see this keywords. Okay, so copy all those keywords that are trending about just the keywords that are related to YouTube banner. Let me show you, like this one, YouTube banners, YouTube banner idea, YouTube banner, and copy YouTube. Also this one, any keyword related to YouTube, YouTube intro. Copy all those keywords, okay, and just go back. So for me, I will copy. Let me see. I will copy this one, YouTube banner that I already have here. You can also scroll down. You have also here related trends. You guys can see you have a lot of keywords here also that you can use. YouTube channel banner, YouTube banner, animated banners. Copy those keywords, go back to your Pinterest account here and put those keywords here. And after you finish, click on publish. And here you go. Your affiliate link and your service will be published on Pinterest. This is exactly how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, you guys can see it's really super easy and simple. You just need to do research, find keywords that are trending on Pinterest, and start promoting services related to those keywords. Do good research, find good keyword, start promoting those services like this, and that's how we can make commissions with Fiverr affiliate marketing. And if you are serious about making money online through affiliate marketing, I want to personally invite you to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing on platforms like YouTube and Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and more. Okay, it's the same system that I use it to generate consistent income, and I'm sharing all my secrets with you. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my description and I will get back to you. And if you have any question, just leave it in the comments. Also, the methods that I'm sharing for free on my YouTube channel, already people start making money with those methods. They are for free, organic, free traffic, and a lot of people are reaching out to me in my email, thanking me and asking me to keep sharing more videos and more free content like this. And this is exactly what I'm doing. And thank you again for watching. Please like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in my next videos.